And there's uncertainty around the leadership of the Rest Primary and Junior High School in Clarendon, as some stakeholders are at odds over who should be principal. Kirk Wright has the details.
Councillor for the Milk River Division in Clarendon, Carlton Bailey, has accused chairman of the Rest Haven Primary and Junior High School of victimization. His claim stems from the length of time the acting principal has been serving in the post, with seemingly no intention to confirm her as principal.
We have also come to realize that the person who is chairperson for the school board is doing it deliberately because of a personal feeling against Miss Sandy Smith. So we are saying, if you are placed there to do something, to act in a manner that will represent the best interests of the community, the children, the parents, the school and a whole, then you should act in a manner that can reflect all of that.
He argues the victimization became more evident after 4 persons were interviewed for the post and the results became known. According to him, the persons with the highest score were not the ones favored for the job.
The chairperson was pushing for the person who got the least amount of points to be selected as the principal, and bypassing this current acting principal who scored the most. So at that stage now we realized that there was an issue. There was a personal issue. And we have been saying, no, you need to get past that issue and whatever. She, at the current situation is that she does not support anything the acting principal does.
Delroy Surgeon, a community member, says he thinks that the acting principal has been doing a great job over the last 3 years and thinks she deserves to be promoted to the post.
Persons, because of personal reason, want to give their friend who scored lower. I'm not in agreement with that, because when you do things like that, then it will turn back and affect the community, and this is my community. So I'm not gonna just stand by or sit by and let anything go like that. No, I'm gonna stand up for what I believe in. I'm gonna stand up for truth and justice, brotherhood and peace, to make Rest Primary and Infant School be the best.
Kirk Wright, TVJ News.